Demo Brothers here. We're at a commercial property in Middletown, Ohio. We'll show you what we got going on. So we're demoing all this. We're demoing all this all the way down to here. All these office spaces. So if you guys need demo, commercial, residential, full structures, interior, exterior, give us a call. Number's right here. Shoot me a text or a call, doesn't matter. Tell me what you got going on. Give me a call, leave me a voicemail if I don't answer. We'll send you some after this when we're done with this. Thanks, guys.